bounds. Tama ba? Third bounds. Okay? So, parang 100 times 0.8 cube. Tapos yung pang fifth, pero fourth bounds is 100 times 0.8 to the fourth. Okay? So, parang ito yung hinahanap natin. Pang fourth bounds, pero pang ano siya, pang fifth term, no? So, kung titingnan natin yung, kung gagamitin natin yung formula, a sub 5 equals a sub 1 r raised to 5 minus 1. Uy, thank you po, Mamini, sa pag-send ng capybara, no? Thank you po. A raised to 5 equals, ano yung first term natin is 100. And then, yung r mo is 0.8. And then, magiging 4. Tama ba? So, kaya nyo gagamitin natin. Kaganina, nagkamali tayo ng ano? No? Nagkamali